Hey guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial of the AX180 headphones that came in this box. They are a pair of universal headsets, and they work on the PS3, Wii, Xbox, PC, Mac, all of those. They are stereo headsets, and they are wired. Okay, so what you get from the package is the headphones themselves, right? And then you have the cord that goes down. And you also have the mic right here that you can remove. There's removable if you are not using it. Then you have the cord going down, and then you come to this little volume controller thing, where right here you can switch the mic off, up and down. You can have the Xbox and voice volume if you are using chat. And for the Wii, since I have the Wii, you won't be using the Xbox plug or the voice volume, because the AX180s only work for chat. Only work for audio on the Wii. And so here is the game volume. You can mute it when you turn to the right and get louder when you're to the left. And here's the PS3 jack. For the Xbox, you can switch it off between the PS3 or Xbox if you're using those. You don't really need that for the Wii. Then you go farther down the line, and there's this cable with the breakaway, and you have the USB, which you plug into the back of your Wii for power. And this is the headphone jack for your computer if you want to plug into your computer. And I'll show you later how to put that into your Wii. What also comes is this little HDMI cable. You do not need this for the Wii. If you're watching this and you're using the Xbox and PS3, the instruction manuals inside, there's an orange one, like this one is the Xbox. This one shows you how to put it all together on your TV, but I'll show you the Wii one later. This is the Xbox live chat. You just plug into your controller, but since I'm doing the Wii, you don't need that again. Right here is an important cable. This is the AV component cables. And so these two are the audio, right? And these two fit into the audio and visual behind your TV, I think. They go to your, let's see. They go to your, so these fit into the back of your TV. And this green thing right here, I'll show you what to do with this. So here, let's go put this together. So what you want to do first with the component cables, okay, so you see, you want to make sure that you have the right slot. So right here, you need to put in the video input. So you can see that right there is the in. These two are ins. So, and you want to look for the cables that connect to your Wii. So right here, these three, I have 1, 2, and 3. These three connect down this wire, and you probably have one too, but they go all the way down and up to the Wii over there. So what you want to do with the component cables is you just want to detach the red and white, and what you want to do here, you can see, okay, so what you want to do is you take the red and you just plug it into the bottom of the other red component cable. Here, see. So what you want to do is you just want to plug it like that, and same thing with the white. You take the white and you plug it in like this. And then what you want to do with these is you want to re-plug them back into the TV. Alright, there's the white one, and then you have the red one. So make sure those fit good. Now, what you have left on this cable is this green component cable right here. So I'll show you what you want to do with that. Okay, so right now you're going to take your headphones and you want to take this green cable right here and you want to connect it to the other green component cable on the audio and visual connection to cables. So what you want to do here is you just want to take these, plug them in, make sure they fit. You have to hear that click. Then once you have that good, you have the rest of the cables. So what you want to do with the USB is you plug it into the back of your Wii. The USB is for power, nothing else. So let's see if I can get this here. Okay, so you plug that in. Then you have, and then what you want to do is you just, once it's all plugged in, take your headsets, and the cable is pretty long. I think the box said it was 13 feet, so probably if you sit pretty far away, it'll still be fine, and then you're all set with the Wii. I know a lot of people use PS3 and Xbox, but for those who use the Wii, this is a tutorial for that. For the PC and Mac, all you gotta do is, with the USB, you plug into one of the USB ports on the side of the computer, and then with the green component cables, with the green component cable, you just plug that into the headphone jack on your computer. That's that you usually put your headphone jack in. So yeah, guys, that's my tutorial. Hope you guys are helped by this. Maybe you guys Wii users haven't seen one of these videos, and you might have one of these. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys later with more MW3. But for now, see you guys later. Make sure to rate or like or dislike, whatever's appropriate. See you guys.